Guys, welcome back to the next video. Guys, if you find a source code problem in Pikashow app, you can fix this problem easily. First of all, guys, to fix this problem, open your mobile phone settings. Guys, here is the option network and internet. Open this. Here, guys, you have to check that you have proper Wi-Fi connected or mobile data. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, then check that you have properly connected with Wi-Fi and your internet is connected. And if you have connected with mobile data, then check that you have properly connected with 4G or 5G. For example, if you are connected with mobile data, click on that and click on that pin. So guys, here prefer network type, click on this and check that you have properly connected with 4G or 3G. So the best option is selecting on first option, 4G 3G auto system mode. Then guys, go back, open your browser and in search bar write your Pikashow app and check that you have the latest updated version of Pikashow. So guys, if you have not latest updated version of Pikashow app, update your Pikashow app from here, from first link. So guys, after this, go back, open your settings again, scroll it down. Guys, here is the option apps, click on that, click here Pikashow, click on all apps and search here Pikashow. Open this. Guys, here is the option storage and cache, click here and clear storage and clear cache from here. After this, go back, scroll it down. Here is the option mobile data and Wi-Fi, click here and click on background data. If it turned off, click on it and turn it on. After this, go back, then go back, open your settings again and scroll it down. Here is the option system, click here. Here is the option reset option, click here. First option is reset Wi-Fi mobile and delete, click here and reset your settings from here. After this, guys, you have to open your Pikashow app. You can see that your problem has been fixed and you can enjoy your Pikashow app movies, videos or Roma basically. So guys, by this method you can enjoy all your Pikashow app movies. So this is the video, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel.